Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT X20 and today I'll show you how to put the device into factory mode. And to get started, hold the power key and select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. So let's wait for it to turn off. There we go. So power key, volume down at the same time. And once you see the logo of the device, you want to let go of the power key, but keep holding volume down. And there we go. Now, as you can see, everything right here is, well, not in English, but you can use volume down to scroll all the way down. Oops, I went too far. And press power key to confirm it, and this will change it into English. But there we go, there's the factory mode. Now from here we can run a couple different tests. As you can see, we have Autotest and a manual test. We have test reports version, which is just an information, board version, again more information, power off and reboot options, along with changing it back to the Chinese language. So whatever you will select, like you've seen, you then confirm with power key. So selecting reboot will bring me back to Android now. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.